हमेशा नहीं कहते कि आपके लाइफ में कोई पर्पस होना चाहिए, तो स्पेशली एक कपल होता है, सो वो जब एक बच्चा हमेशा एक पर्पस देता है या उसके बदले लोग पेट्स लेते हैं, सो दैट पर्पस इज मिसिंग एज अ कपल टू हैव अ पर्पस टुगेदर. Do you think it's important for a relationship with your partners?
So I do believe कि बहुत सारी ऐसी more women than men, I think, have a child and that child becomes their purpose in life.
Yes.
बहुत सारी ऐसी
Couples
ladies होती हैं. It's not necessary कि सिर्फ बच्चा आपका purpose हो. I have a lot of purpose in my life. I love my work. My work is my purpose. My relationship, my husband is my purpose. My life with him is purposeful enough, you know. So I've never felt ki mere, and probably all our parents felt like that also. A lot of women who maybe don't work also, ab aapne shaadi kar liya, aap, you don't wake up in the morning to do anything, and no judgment. It's completely up to you. I have a girlfriend, a very good girlfriend of mine, who once told me that not doing anything gives me happiness.
Yeah.
And that's lucky. I actually consider her very lucky. The fact that her happiness comes from that. And I keep telling her, I was like, I wish my happiness also came from that. So you can't decide ki what gives somebody happiness. And you have to respect if they can derive it from doing nothing. That is completely their prerogative. So बहुत सारी ऐसी ladies होती हैं जो, but some of them are like, actually मुझे purpose चाहिए. So if you're not working, for example,
Yes.
at all, you need something to wake up to in the morning. Na? Everybody needs that in life.
Yeah.
You know, especially at a young age. And they have a child and that child becomes their purpose. But personally, मेरे life में बहुत time से, since I was a young, even in college, whatever, I've always had purpose. So that was never the
So
this thing.
child और वो relationship में भी ऐसे कभी नहीं लगा कि हमारे एक बच्चा होगा तो और मजा
श्रद्धा
आएगा.
मेरे लिए ना opposite हुआ था. So when I got married, actually for the first couple of years, बहुत pressure था only from my mother.
To have a child.
Yeah, nobody else. Luckily in my life, I don't think people expect me to be conventional to begin with.
Yeah, though.
Yeah. So, you know, when people say you've been rebellious, and I keep saying कि मुझे ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ी कभी, because people don't even expect it from me. So I've never had the need to be rebellious, even with my parents. Even my mom said that. My mom also was telling somebody कि in her 20s only I realized कि she's not going to follow the beaten path.
We've also realized when I've known you, yes.
Since you've known me. And
Yes.
I was at least 10-12 years
Yes.
younger. So मेरे से कोई किसी ने expect ही नहीं किया कि मैं normal चीज़ें करूँगी life में.
But क्योंकि we were, of a certain type, इसलिए was it easier to take this decision? आप आपके जब friends से मिलते हो, जिनके बच्चे हैं, क्या लगता है उनको देख के, या वो लोग क्या feel करते हैं?
जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल लकीली फॉर मी ऑल्सो टचवुड आई हैव अ पार्टनर इन माई लाइफ. हमारे काफ़ी सिमिलर वेज ऑफ थॉट प्रोसेस है, द वे वी वांट टू, हाउ वी सी लाइफ. फॉर मी द पर्पस इन लाइफ एंड फॉर हिम द पर्पस इन लाइफ इज ऑलवेज बिन टू बी हैप्पी. And not happy in the sense ki got the best car, got the best job, got the best house to stay in. The sense of unlimited joy, that you wake up in the morning with joy. That has always been, and मैं तो उसकी चमची हूँ. I've learned a lot from this man, and I'd always, see that this person is waking up with a deep sense of contentment. Like he's fulfilled, and there's this joy, and and around him I became this person who was always clapping hands, childlike. Like I'm always like always, and I'm not baby, I'm overgrown child. No, sometimes I do that, but otherwise it's this deep sense of joy that you're very happy, you're very content.
वो किसी की जरूरत ही नहीं है, अच्छा चल रहा है.
नहीं, बिकॉज क्या है ना कि किसी चीज़ पे अगर आपका हैप्पीनेस या जॉय डिपेंडेंट हो ना, तो अगर वो चीज़ ना रहे या आ जाए या कभी ना मिले, तो फिर वो कैसा जॉय है जब तक वो अंदर से नहीं है. सो वी काइंड ऑफ थ्रू हिज ब्लेसिंग एंड थ्रू ही वांटेड टू लर्न हाउ टू अचीव दैट. लाइक ही वांटेड टू नो कि ये जो स्पिरिचुअल लीडर है, या ये जो इसको एनलाइटेंड आदमी कहते हैं, इसका नाम ओशो है, या इसका नाम मोजी है, या इसका नाम, या कोई भी आपके आज के डेट के, लाइक टुडे ही इज़ फॉलोइंग रूपर्ट स्पायरा एंड फ्रांसिस लूसील एंड देयर इज एकहार्ट टोल. इनके ना आँखों में कुछ है भाई, इनका कुछ तो है, अलग है, कुछ है. ये कहाँ से इनका आ रहा है, ये खुशी कहाँ से आ रही है? इट्स नॉट डिपेंडेंट ऑन एनीथिंग. It's not dependent on anything outside. It's all inside. But how is it coming? How are we achieving that? It is devoid of anything outside you. तो कुछ तो divinity है, कुछ तो divine यहाँ पे blessing मिली हुई है. What the hell is that? He started going after that. And मैं, because I was smitten and totally in love with this, I'm like a lovesick puppy when I'm around him, तो मैं भी घूमती रही. But my point and my learning came much later. Like he started in 2010, but I started understanding all these things, and my blessing came in 2013 and 12, 12 or 13. And I found my own path, and he found his own path. And then again our paths merged, and then that sense of joy kind of continued, and that sense of wanting to be divine all the time, be in bliss, like just eternal bliss.